Hey everyone, Alice here to do a laptop installation screen change for laptopscreen.com. And the computer model I'm doing is the Asus Aspire AS3810TZ-4806. The screen model is the B133X. Just go to laptop screen and enter the laptop model and they'll figure it out for you. This is the version 2, which is the glossy, and you have to make sure it's the right one you order, otherwise the fixtures won't go into the sides. I'll show you that then. So what you have to do is start by removing the screws, which are at the top, the corners at the top and the bottom. I've already done that just to save a little bit of time. So it's just a tiny little screwdriver and little screws. So you take those out, and then once that's done, you can just run your thumb between the crack there to remove the guard that holds the screen in place. And it just pops out all the way along, down the sides, and then off the bottom is right here. Takes that off. And then you have the screen here, and then on the sides of the screen at the top and at the bottom are little guards that hold it in place. So you just slide those out, then the screen will just come right off, and then turn it around, and at the back is the connector for the screen, and the pins right there, you just slide them out the bottom, and it comes right out. So take that away. And then I come back, I've got another screen here, the one I'm installing now, the new one. So just same thing, slide them right into the bottom right there. Make sure they're nicely connected. And then when you're putting it back in, you want to try and hold it flat, the cord behind there, so it doesn't press the screen out. So slide it back into place. And then start putting the guards back on. That in, screwdriver. Okay, so it's all snug in place here, and then you just have to pop the guard back on. Be careful when you're pressing on this area right here, because that's what will typically damage